This thing is hot, bruh. This is it, man. This is DJ from Better is powered by Panic Mechanic. This is the turbocharge. It have got turbocharge failure, this one. And this is the new one. You can see the difference, but they all look the same. This is it, man. I'm working, baby. I'm working.
Hello guys, thank you so much to Panic Mechanic. They did a wonderful job on my car. I was struggling. This car was heavily smoking. As you can see, there is no smoke that is coming out of here. This is Panic Mechanic.
Oh yeah, this is it, man. This is DJ from Better Youth powered by Panic Mechanic. In this today's video, we are going to work on VW Golf 6, baby. This one we are going to remove the turbo. We are going to work on the turbocharge here. Oh yeah, this is it, man. This is DJ from Better is powered by Panic Mechanic, baby. Yeah, this is it. In this today's video, we are going to work on VW Golf 6. This is it, man. We are going to remove the turbocharge, then we work out many things inside of it because this car is smoking, so it does not have even a good power, so the turbocharge, it is broken. This is it, man. Oh yeah, this is it, man. This is VW Golf 6 engine. So this is the thing which we are going to work on. This is the turbocharge. It have got turbocharge failure, this one. We already diagnosed it last week, so we are going to work on it today. You make sure you don't lose any bolt here. This thing is hot, bruh. Hey. Hey. It's very hot, this thing. This engine is dirty, bro. And you know what happened the other day? The owner of this car, he washed this engine. After that, he was supposed to drive almost 500 kilometers from Limpopo to Johannesburg. So after he washed this engine, when he started the car was not starting anymore. The guy was frustrated because he didn't know how to wash an engine, you understand? So the water was all over here, so we fixed it, but he continued with the journey. So I'm just telling you, so that's why maybe it is dirty like this. He said no more, he's not gonna wash an engine anymore. This car is hot. I think we should leave it for a few minutes. This thing is hot. Hey, bro, it's hot. You saw it? It is hot, bruh. Oh. You are playing. I think you are playing here. Ai. Ngasilinge mlingo. Look at it. Look at the oil. You shouldn't get this oil here. Body feel. Oh yeah, this is it, man. We are done removing it. This is it, man. This is DJ from Better is powered by Panic Mechanic. As you can see, this thing it is damaged. As you can see, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It is dead. This thing it must not play like this. And as you can see, the oil was passing here. As you can see, the oil it was passing here. So it means that the oil it was going back to the exhaust also. It must not supposed to be like this, so we are going to fix it. You can also hear ticky 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 ticky. It must not play this thing. It must stay cool and collected, and it have got play. It's a big one, this one. So we are going to remove it. This is it, man. Oh yeah. This is it. You can see this thing it have got play. Big one. This is it, man. Stay tuned. Ta-da! This is it, man. Let me unbox it. Brand new, this one. The previous one, you saw it. Whew. Yeah. These are the new copper washer. Inside here we have got new copper washer and oil ring, also with the gasket. It's a special thing which is here. Tararara. This is it, man. They keep it lubricated. Dun. This is the new one. There's no play here. There's no shaky. There's no ticky. There's no tick here. Let me show you the old one. So this is it, man. This is the old one and this is the new one. You can see the difference, but they all look the same. This is it, man. I'm working, baby. I'm working. This one, as you can see, I am moving it. The shaft, it is not moving. Look at this one. There is no shortcut for putting it back. You understand? So removing, it's little bit good, but to put it back without removing the manifold is a bit tricky. You understand? Oh yeah, this is it, man. This is DJ from Better Youth, powered by Panic Mechanic, baby. Yes, we are working on VW Golf 6, baby. This is it, man. This is 1.6. Today I am featured with Goom here. Oh yeah?
Oh yeah. This is Goom, as you know.
Yeah, man. This is it. So we wanna lift up the exhaust and put it back on the turbocharger here. We are about to finish. It's going down, baby.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Hello, baby. What's up, man? Oh yeah, this is it, man. As we wanna test drive the car, we are done with it. This is it, man. Don't try this at home. This is my jumping cables, my jumping span. Don't try this at home. When you are car. Come out to work. It's not quite a smoking machine, baby. Huh? Look at it. This guy was smoking like hell, bruh. So now, as you can see, we repaired the turbocharger. Now the car is working properly. This is DJ from Better Youth, powered by Panic Mechanic, baby. One love. This is it, man. As we are done with it. Ew. Tomani yala ngenya. Oh, konela na ngecho. Low life. Oh. Uma. Ew. Oh. Mrano rao. Sombrora ni chote. Ini ko ponga ito so ko ventrian. Kes. Tozalo tosomva izvo zvimwewo izvi.
Hello guys, thank you so much to Panic Mechanic. They did a wonderful job on my car. I was struggling. This car was heavily smoky. As you can see, there is no smoke that is coming out of here. This is Panic Mechanic. If if you want your car to be saved by them, you can contact them at 072-734-5128. Panic Mechanic, the best mechanic around vendor, in fact in the world. Thank you so much. And at an affordable price. They did a wonderful job on my car. Right now I'm driving to Messina and I'm gonna give back a review when I come back. Thank you.
Sure.